Eye Asante-Akyem watch dwumadie a yafa ato ye ho so se yebebo Asante-Akyem Asante ene Ghana nyina ho dawro akere wiase no e de ekopie Oduro Apenteng Senior High School a ewo Obogu se yekohwede ekoso wo ho na yene school mpanimfo ene schoolfo no atwetwe nkomo na yabo Oduro Apenteng Senior High School ho dawro achamansan na abra yedru school no mu ewo Obogu a ewo Asante-Akyem South mansini mu no yehu se adesua ekoso dendenden a enya agro.
So we said there are 3 classes, okay? 3 classes for 3 forms of carbohydrates.
Unless they ask you to write the steps used in what appreciating a work. So there are 2 different things altogether. Okay. One is they can ask you to write, give the steps using what appreciating what a work. In that case, you have to write this one.
Na yeben yemfidie no ewo adesua mu kakra no ye pese ye ne school mpanimfo ebekasa na headmaster wo school no mu no atia ne nan achi kakra enti ye ne assistant headmaster ebo nkomo.
Medidi Karibu Kofi assistant headmaster Emma Oduro Apenteng Senior High ewo Asante-Akyem anafo mensin no kwase mohwe school fefefe ya e school a omahene the late Nana Oduro Apenteng Dakwa the third and o share way back 2017 no kwase mun school no abebo Asante-Akyem papa si amekase yo nkoda bi wo Legon ebi wo Kwame Nkrumah University ebi wo Winneba ebi wo UCC any other tertiary in ahodo a wo Ghana ha na sisi ya de ye ka kira wo fo nyina ne se so obi ehwe video ya ye tun safra wo fo nyina so moma emma ha do we private school but aban hye bia o de adwuma no nyina so ye di so sisi ya wo ba ye wo bi dan se class nyina ayema a teacher for class e kira de sakola ye bone a ye discipline se be ya discipline e be ye adwuma school no. So we don't take this opportunity to invite all parents and guidance to bring the awards to Nana Oduro Apenteng Senior High School. That is the new school that has been established in Asante-Akyem South, locally Obogu. I feel so na afa kwan so na asre say ne communities bebre ya free education ye adwuma say be ya parents and so how so better. Enti ye fa kwan so na ya appeal akire government no say nyame ayadom Oduro Apenteng structure yo bibi na mo ni aka and say government absorption aban mehwe school no na anka wonji na anka emwama nkura atwa hanhia no so enjoy free education policy na omampani di aban afenso achechirefo a eyedwuma ha nyina dedicated teachers a more commitment a mo ye adwuma e di amama school no progress akoso every year bia na mane increase as at last year nkola present to omo 823 na sa nkola 823 no no emu be 500 enya A1, which is a great achievement by all standards. And this year so we are almost 1,000 from 3 4 almost 1,000. I see or from 1 4 or from 2 4 we have opportunity for Form 1 and Form 2 who want to enroll. They can even come for admission forms, and our fees is very affordable. Fees in there for cra will be able to afford and will be able to. So right, we offer general arts, home economics, business, and visual arts. Yeah, we have started science last year. We have about 32 candidates who has been registered with WAEC. These are the courses available now. Your accommodation. Once I had a day school. The day school no your hostel. You run your guest hostel and your boys hostel. So the bay your hostel team kola ni nkola bonesem your madam ba ko hwe ma no so. How no mo ne da hostel ho o monitor movement. Any which ne be ma ba ko so monitor memma no. Say be obi nkwa bontin emma late. And in terms of hostel here, security and everything is assured. Say so do baba ha problem here anyhow. Say you can so Obogu a be dreams now Obogu kra e we he. So ofre kuma say Obogu a then obeduru konongo Oze konongo dodo na ni konongo. Then after konongo no obedu Dwaso junction. Then right hand side Dwaso junction on our right hand side. No right Dwaso town. Then Obogu ni Dwaso and Ashanti. Obogu nye era kwan kran to fro kuma se ba after konongo. Then no about Dwaso junction. Right hand side. Na fe oba Obogu. About 10-15 minutes drive. Now if Dwaso edu Obogu. Me fa kwan so na madamase. E was such opportunity amuli ama Oduro Apenteng. Say yen sell school no Asante-Akyem obi ehu na fe Ghana nyina wiase na hu sampa. There is a school located in Asante-Akyem South, Obogu. Thank you very much.
Se opani dware wia nanka nsuo asande nanso yene assistant headmaster ekasa wie no yene akyerɛkyerɛfo ne bi nanso edi nkomo.
My name is Emmanuel Esel, a biology teacher. I tried there 2 years. With school records, because of that, there are a lot of students are enthusiastic to be, and they are always ready to also learn. And environment is very conducive for learning. At the training, addition, very interesting. Okay, person aban be absorb nanka adani I more public. Yeah, because there are some other things to promote the image of the school. I'll encourage others fee say they should look to Oduro Apenteng Senior High because the environment is conducive for teaching and learning. And the teachers are also motivated. Inside you are assured of a very good pass and discipline is so high. I say, well, we are they won't be our one thing. Everybody is serious, and there's no class as teacher anyhow. Baby, I am so I will encourage say Ubia or Wofi Biano should choose to drop it. So what Asante-Akyem environment Bia the who say Obeko school for the Lord first high and one because BBI okay. We combine all the necessary activities. Yes, the encouraging year or other schools Bia it is done here. And it's not as if say we are sports. Sports buy sports and so are very competitive. Outside this, we do sports here. Yeah.
My name is Patricia Osafo. I teach social studies in Oduro Apenteng Senior High School. I've been here from 2019. Oh, so far so good. It's a pleasant experience. We are good to go. We have a very cordial relationship, and then we take learning seriously, and we also take our teaching seriously. Yeah, best stress here buying budget because looking from Joasoa Besenko of one say, yeah, that is where we have secondary school. That means saying Kolano more between this two stretch, Omunya Quine in school because Kadi say Oko Joaso and I say Oko of one say. But looking at the cost of transportation, how things are going now, no dear. The best stress say buying be Jenna. Emma Quina student be na embra. Hostel no there so far no because say a year amount for apartments na ya dear mom no. You shouldn't need too much control on them because all I say if you run so to ho inti be any obi na abeje ne dan na team no ye student unlike the school nankasankasa e won hostel a house mistress and a house masters e wo no ma they will look at the discipline aspect of everything they are going and coming in no it will be monitored by the school but see na individual rooms any individual houses na ya no it's difficult to track their movements. Say you want to kakra, or that's one say kakra. Basic school dining being can home my normal CCC hostel, and especially your lighting system non so. No more no more jai. It is almost hostel normal the light so abana as a bogu no biana sa. So on the average, your pass is 95. Ubet me check what your pass is 95. Odas is doing wonders. Yeah. Omum be held das. Na ye beji owa too.
Na asuafo no hu sɛ yɛne akyerɛkyerɛfo no nkɔmmɔ no ayɛ dɛ no ɛhɔ a na ɔmo se boy sɛ woba Oduro Apenteng na wone asuafoɔ ankasa na ɛte sɛ deɛ wasa akapoma na wandwa mu no. Enti asuafoɔ no nso agye brɛ ɛne Asante-Akyem watch atwetwe nkɔmmɔ.
I'm by the name Fidaus Rohan, Senior Girls Prefect of Oduro Apenteng Senior High. The work is very tough, challenging, but we try to manage because they are our fellow students. We still manage to control them for not being late in school, for not wearing unprescribed shoes and uniforms in the school. Our teachers are very good and they put in much effort when it comes to our learning. They are free, fair, and firm. They don't miss their class. Always they are on time.
My name is Abdul Rashid Ibrahim. I'm the senior boys prefect. Oduro Apenteng school be a try pass. Your courses be business, general art, home science, and visual art. And as you see, also science. About sports also there. Oduro Apenteng there pa. Me per se nka obi abe join here ha. Oduro Apenteng senior high. Na yetimi the tray was in a boom. We say o tray ha enye den a be pass. Teachers for so bomb homebody pa yi.
Na yɛne assistant girls prefect ofiri Nigeria ton ɛna aba school yi ɛnso atwetwe nkɔmmɔ.
My name is Okocha Tracy Osei, and I'm the assistant girls prefect of Oduro Apenteng Senior High School. So when I came, I didn't know that the school was here. I was staying at Konongo. I searched for so many schools, and then someone told me that the school was here, and then she brought me here. Then I registered and I started attending school here. The position is really nice, but there are so many challenges because most of the times when you talk to some people, they don't want to listen to you. You face so many problems, but with the support of the teachers and most of the students, we are able to conquer those challenges, and being the assistant girls prefect is really nice. Oduro Apenteng Senior High School, it's a really good high school. Though many people might see it as a school in a local area, a school that is not developed, but the teachers, they are really trying and they are doing their best. Most people, they come here because of the good grades, they are just here to pass. But here, when you come to Oduro Apenteng, the teachers don't just make sure that you pass, they make sure that you learn. So this place, they are really training us to know academics, practicals. They are really trying their best and they are really grooming us well. The hostel, they make sure that they provided a really good place for us. When we were coming, when I saw the environment, I thought like maybe the hostel won't be good. But when they took us there, the place, it was really nice. We had water flowing in there. There was lights and everything. When we have any problem there and we come to the headmaster, he solves the issue for us. So the hostel is really comfortable and it's nice.
My name is Ajay George. I'm the entertainment prefect of Oduro Apenteng Senior High School. So entertainment school mostly no. Teachers na boa me my entertainment in such a way say besua de. And aside say ni beji ye ho kwa no besua de entertainment ni. Mostly no yetaye quiz pa na yetaye aside jams na yetaye quiz. There was a certain program we within next month year. I friend was night. And I was night no you were best artist, you were best house prefect, you were face of the school, and you were perfect gentleman. At least any category be na popular, used to the children they be cinema entertainment near well attractive students. The make a chairman from outside say aside entertainment me being the entertainment prefect of the school no. For now, make entertainment no. No, in such a way, say you're taking it to the next level. And Ubia who feel itself, person the best of entertainment, be an umbrella and Oduro Apenteng. Academics, as usual, say mobile, who say teachers for no, they are performing.
Na deɛ daeɛ kɔso ya ɛne Petri nkɔmmɔ no ɛyɛ dɛ no na yɛho sɛ adeɛ ɛyɛ asɛnkrasefoɔ enti yɛkɔtena yɛda de pɔnkɔ kɛseɛ yi so ɛna yɛfiri Oduro Apenteng Senior High School ɛwɔ Obogu.